tumeacha pale.
Kwa Machakos atiri nyake kaunti ya Busia nyakoro mgajuan kama seneta ma kaunti ma Busia Okiya Omtatah odonjone kaunti ma Busia doho ewi mano mawacho ni tiyo marach gi omenda ma kaunti maromo bilion 2.3 kendo rem chiwo report ewi chudo moko manotim gi tend kaunti no kowuok gi jofwambo ko mar doho bang' chwalo burano. Omtatah wacho ni tend kaunti no osebedo ka panjore gi ewi penjo kaka gitiyo kod omenda aritha. Kata kamano tend kaunti kokalo kuom jagoro Oscar Juma kod okil margi Innocent Mboko kod ripode maliekore ewi bura makoro omaki gi Omtatah.
Assets will be recovered. So that's what we are doing, but we must get access to this information. And I don't see why we should not access the information, unless you are hiding something honestly. Why should you just access information? And by the way, the law requires this information to be on the website of the county government. They should be publishing it on the website. I should not be looking for, but it's not on the website. You cannot find it anywhere, you see. So we cannot just be sitting ducks, and you see the way the county is being managed. Nothing is happening. Look out here how the grass has grown tall.
What we have seen in the senator's complaint is that he has lumped together so many projects over which he's raising alleged procurement malpractices. So what we are saying is that all those things can be processed within the procurement law, and that's what the law says. Start with the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board, because the court as it sits cannot interrogate at first instance matters relating to procurement. Worse when you are raising literally complaints in everything happening in the county.